Good morning, dear students. Dear students, today we will be learning the unit number 5 poem Trees. So, in which are the ways the trees are important for us and how it helps us, that is in this lesson. You have to write down these word meanings as well as you have to draw a beautiful picture of tree in your notebook. Okay. So which are the ways the tree is important in our life? So trees are for birds. Yes, trees are for birds because birds specially love on trees. They make their nest on the trees. So it is their house. Trees are for children. In what way the trees are for children? Because if the trees are around our house or in your house, if there is a garden, children walk around the trees. They play hide and seek around the trees. They sit under the trees. The children sit under the trees and take a shade in the sunlight. Trees are to make their houses in. Yeah. In the village, some of the trees are very big. Especially the banyan trees are so huge and big. So people make a wooden house on them to recreate. Recreate means the free time they sit there and read the storybooks or they sit and enjoy the far away things. Okay, trees are to swings on. Swings means to swings we make with the tire. Olden times children used to play with the tire. They used to tie the swings on the tree. Here everywhere swings will be tied and children will be playing on the tree. Especially you find in the village and farms, and those who have a farmhouse, there you find the children are playing under the tree. They are making the swings, okay, and enjoying the swings under the tree. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Yeah, when wind is blowing, the trees are moving and a cool breeze is coming. Trees are to hide and seek. Yeah, in the village, olden times, nowadays when children go to their grandparents' house in the village, they play hide and seek behind the tree. And that was such a grateful moment. Really a enjoyment. Not nowadays like children are always busy with the mobile phone or they are not playing outdoor games. There are olden times there was beautiful outdoor games children used to enjoy a lot. There are two tea parties yonder. Yes. Nowadays we go to the garden, park to visit, and people used to sit under the tree and enjoy a tea party. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Yes. Where the huge trees are there, especially who are not able to fly the kite, because each and every time the kite will go and stuck on a branch of the tree and it won't come out. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Yeah. To cut the branches of the tree in order to let the new branches come on the tree. We cut down the branches and we make shade out of it to sit under it during the summer season. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Yes. According to in the winter, we are not supposed to make a shade with the trees. We just like to sit in the sunlight, and it is good to get the sunlight in a winter season. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Pears and apples are growing on the trees. Trees are to chop down and call timbering. Why it is chop down? Chop down means cut down. And with this wood, timbering means with this wood, furniture is made. Big ships are made. House furniture is made, table, chair, which is used for many things. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make fathers to say, what a lot of leaves to rag this fall. Okay, rag this fall means gather with the rag. Means during the autumn season when the trees leaves are falling, sometimes it is very good. Even the dried leaves are good for the manure for our plants. So dear children, trees are very important. Trees brings the rain. You are learning in the science what are about the trees. Trees bring the rain. A lot rain it brings. Okay, so trees are very important in our life. It gives us a good and fresh air. Always is a good oxygen to us. It helps us to enjoy the greenery. In the sunlight, it helps us to get the shade. It brings the rain. It helps us to play the hide and seek. Even it helps us to get a good mood. So above all everything, trees are very important in our life. So every year we should plant a tree so that the greenery will not be over, and each and every time even coming generation also will enjoy this life. So dear students, these are the words meaning I have written on the board. You have to write it down with a good handwriting in your notebook, as well as you have to draw a beautiful picture of a tree in your notebook. Have a good day and thank you to all.